This axe, it's beautiful to use. I bought it at a trash and treasure market. It's a competition axe, apparently. I'm not an axe expert. If anybody actually knows if this is or isn't a competition axe, let me know. Somebody who came around the other day told me it was. Something about the profile, the handle shape, something about these features here make it a competition axe. And it's beautiful to use. But what you can see, one, the blade is really wonky. Looks like it's been used so much it's kind of chipped, and then they've tried to just sharpen it and they haven't reshaped it. So that needs fixing. Obviously there's scratches all over this thing. Some of those scratches are really nice. There's these nice shape scratches going on in here. It looks like this has been made very much by hand. There are some of these interesting dents and divots which I'm going to keep. They look like they were part of the forging process, which I love, so we're going to keep all those. And then we got the handle. The handle's also not in too bad nick, it's not rotting or anything, but it does need some love, especially on the end here. It's a little bit wonky. Not the greatest craftsmanship in the first place, I don't think, unless they've redone this handle. So I'm going to reshape that, make it nice, and then give the handle a bit of beeswax to shine it up. So let's get started. No, life is too short for hand sanding. So here's something I didn't see coming. Axes have this geometry that don't seem to like being held in vices. So I had to work it out. It took a little while, but I kind of made it, and here we go. So sanding is basically just the process of scratching a surface with a rough grit and then moving to a slightly finer grit and re-scratching the surface to remove those deep scratches in place of finer scratches. And then you just keep on doing that until the scratches are so small you can barely see them. And that's where shine comes from. Yikes, it like just totally ate through my sander. Well, this has come up pretty good. It is nice and shiny. Still got a lot of those original features, which I was really hoping to keep. While I was going, I saw this made, but I can see that it says NIN and then US, I think. So I'm pretty sure this is made in the USA. And now, we just got to get on with the handle. Let's do that. You can see this beautiful patterning running up. It's really nice. All right, time to get the pommel shaped up nicely. Blech. And we're done. Look at that beauty. Still retaining all of its history, which I love, which is exactly what I wanted. It's shined up beautifully. Found this in USA, which I love. The handle has just come up beautifully. Nicely new shaped pommel. Cleaned up. Now it just looks a lot neater and a lot nicer. Let this beeswax dry, and then we're going to use it.